ko through my experiences with them na pag need nila ng care, especially sa health, parang na-discover ko sa self ko na parang natutuwa ako when I'm giving this kind of care. Like parang nai-ignite yung passion ko and yung self-satisfaction na nafe-feel ko, it's incomparable. I came here in Kuwait last 2022 carrying that dream and believing it na one day, I'm going to make it. Then, there was this time na nagsuscroll ako sa social media and bigla na lang nag-pop up sa notifications ko yung ICSA. Then, I visited the page and there I saw the courses and programs that they have and I was really glad that there is course in health and social care. That moment, without any doubt, I have messaged through their WhatsApp number to inquire about the course, and I'm so glad that I got the details that I need. Moving on, after knowing the details, it took me some time to decide because I was considering the time as well as my resources financially. So I prayed for it na sabi ko, Lord, this is what I want and I need your guidance that only if this is your will for me, I'm going to do it. So days passed by and I was still undecided until I've talked to my family, close friends, and mentors. I got courage from them despite of the things that might hinder along the way. And in addition, after seeing some reviews from the previous students who have attended the course, it makes me realize na, sige, go, I will do it. And yes, there we go. The course taught me a lot of new things. While doing so, I have learned how to get vital signs, check BMIs, checking of sugar, at natutunan ko din yung mga personal care techniques tulad ng proper lifting with the right body mechanics, and I've learned also how to cope emotional stress and maintaining one's health and well-being and so many more. I believe that those learnings are essential and that is needed for my new career which is I'm planning to take in the future. Given that the UK Diploma in Health and Social Care is one of the recognized diploma in the world, this will be my key to open new doors of opportunities. This diploma will play an important role in my life as it shows the result of my hard work and dedication. I'm very grateful to my instructor, Sir Mark Diacos, for he helped me with all his might to finish and achieve this course. Without him, it would be impossible to achieve it. With his guidance, it has been easy to understand the lessons and to comply my modules. Whenever I needed assistance, he was always there to help and support. With the knowledge he have passed down to me, this will make me wiser and stronger to face the difficulties in the future ahead. So from deep within, many thanks, Sir Mark. Thank you so much for all your support that you have provided throughout the course. To the ICSA staffs and the administration, thank you so much for the opportunity and for the support you have given with your immediate actions and responses as well as with your very good assistance for my queries and needs I have made to finish this course. To anyone out there, to my kamayans, and to anybody na nangangarap na magkaroon ng diploma in health and social care, ICSA is here to help you. They will surely help to develop your talents and to break through your limits to reach higher achievements for you to be landed
Isa po
into your
nito?
goals. As the saying goes, a million miles journey start with a
Isa po
single
nito,
step.
sir?
So for your million miles journey and a
Nagamit ko
better
lang dito.
life, I recommend ICSA as the portal going to your dreams. As every beginning has an end, my journey for the course has also come to an end. With the strength and knowledge given by the ICSA to start a new journey ahead, I am very grateful and humbled for the ICSA support and the knowledge which will act as my weapon to fight the future battle and to overcome the future challenges. Once again, I am Naslin Grace Paris, proud to be Ixanian.
Yung nakaraan kami, parang doon sa'yo. Wala na sinabi si Jen sa'yo. Marami ng salita at ayaw ko na, hindi ko lapit-lapit sa kanya eh. Parang ano lang, parang, oh, kain ka na, oh, ganun lang. Wala na akong anak eh. Kaya ayaw ko eh. Sabi nila mo isda sa dito? Ito, ginano mo sa isda?
Hello, naririnig po ba ako? Meron po ba akong sound? Okay, thank you. Okay, we will start na. Magandang araw po or magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga attendees natin mula sa iba't ibang mga bansa. Welcome po sa ating online live consultation. Ako po si Ms. Murdia, student consultant ng ICSE. And ngayong araw po i-share po namin sa inyo about sa UP Diploma in Health and Social Care Giver course na in-offer po ng ICSE. And after po ng presentation, pwede po tayong mag-ask ng question and clarification mamaya. So, we'll start na po. Ang ICSA po or International Institute of Computer Science and Administration ay nakabase po tayo sa Kuwait na mayroong branch sa Kuwait City at Manila at sa Mabula po. Offer po kami ng mga courses worldwide at itong ating UP Diploma in Health and Social Care in-offer din po natin siya through online live interactive class via Zoom worldwide. Kahit sa bansa ka man ngayon ay pwede kang mag-aral. Ang ICSA ay tinatag noong 2001 through the aspiration of Mr. Amir F. Muhammad, the founder of ICSA. And ICSA po nag-offer po tayo ng 3 levels at ang i-discuss po natin ngayon is ang level 3 at ang level 4. The level 3 are for those at least elementary graduate or at least high school level. At ang level 4 naman are for those at least high school graduate or above. At kailangan din sa ating course na meron na tayong basic knowledge po sa paggamit ng computer or laptop, lalo na po sa Microsoft Office application tulad ng Microsoft Word, and can communicate in basic English, written, or verbal. Yan. So, of course po, no, everybody wants to be financially stable, and we all know that healthcare career is one of the most in-demand career nowadays. And aside from the skills and knowledge, it gives us also better future career-wise. That is why many of us want to practice this profession. At itong mga career opportunities na pwedeng maging trabaho ng isang graduate ng UK Diploma in Health and Social Care. Pwede tayo as a social care worker, personal health assistant, healthcare assistant, community development, health administration, charity officer, and home care aide. At ito naman po yung ating mga requirements sa pag-enroll. Kung nandito ka sa Kuwait, yung civil ID mo, front and back copy, passport copy, two-way picture, or any selfie picture, school credential mo, yung 38, form 138, diploma, DOR, and pwede siyang to-follow kung di siya available sa ngayon. At kung nasa ibang bansa ka, international student, sa ibang bansa ka, nasa Hong Kong ka or sa Taiwan or sa Canada, yung passport copy mo at same yung 2x2 picture or selfie picture, school credential mo is pwede siyang to-follow. At ito yung ating level 3. With 60 credits siya. Kaya para sa ating mga kababayan na hindi nakapagtapos ng high school or at least high school level, ito ng pagkakataon mo na magkaroon ng diploma while working abroad. Dito is after mo kung matapos ang course, makatanggap ka ng diploma with DOR and 60 credits of units. May 60 credits of units siya. Available siya face-to-face and online live class via Zoom. Nasa ibang bansa ka, ating mga available schedule. And for level 4 naman, ito ay para sa ating kabayan na at least high school graduate or above. ito is makakatanggap ka ng UK diploma with TOR and 120 credits. Available din siya online via Zoom, yung ating mga available schedule, and face-to-face class kung nandito ka sa Kuwait. At even sa level 3 po kayo nag-start, pero gusto nyo ng magdagdag ng credits, is pwede po tayong mag-start sa level 3 muna. And after nyo pong matapos ang level 3, pwede kayong mag-proceed sa level 4. Gusto magdagdag ng credits from 60 to 120 credits. It depends upon us po. So, this is the sample of the diploma na matatanggap after completion of the course. You will also receive your transcript of record indicating the credits and grades. And take note po, no, this is not a certificate. Although nakalagay sa header niya ay certificate, this is a diploma. Compared to other school na they are just providing certificate. Atin po isa diploma po siya at no expiration at recognized siya internationally. Ang UK diploma po isa under British curriculum po siya and magagaling pa sa UK London ang diploma na matatanggap nyo na internationally recognized siya kahit sa bansa. Pwede nyo siyang ipa-evaluate sa West or sa EGA. And aside from the Kuwait, we have some international students also who graduated po. Yan. When we say po na international student, ito yung mga residing from other countries like Hong Kong, Taiwan, Qatar, Lebanon, Saudi, Philippines, and the others. Ito po isa sa ating student from Hong Kong na nag-graduate. At ito naman yung nag-enroll mula sa Lebanon. Since we offer this course worldwide, the good thing is we have online classes to those who wanted to have diploma, to have a credential para magamit. So ICSA can provide that. At ito naman pong ating enrollment procedure. Madali lang po magpa-enroll. Bibigyan po kayo ng link ng inyong student consultant kung saan po kayo mag-fill up po kayo ng inyong enrollment registration. Then, ihanda nyo po yung mga requirements. Isend nyo lang sa WhatsApp kung sino ang nag-assist sa inyo. And for the payment, kung nasa Kuwait ka, pwede kang bumisita sa aming office para magbayad ng inyong enrollment fee o course fee. And kung outside Kuwait ka, pwede kang magbayad through GCash, BPI, BPO, or Metrobank. At ito naman ang ating learning process. Yung class schedule is nakadepende po yan kung anong araw kukunin nyo o anong level po kayo qualified, kung level 3 ba or level 4. Yung ating class is once a week po siya. Plus mentoring class can be arranged for availability of instructor. At kailangan meron kayong laptop, tablet, or mobile phone kung wala po kayong laptop. At mag-download po kayo ng Zoom app kung sa Zoom po kayo mag-attend ng class. And once maging officially enrolled po kayo, makaka-join po kayo sa ating official WhatsApp group kung saan post ang ating instructor for further announcement. And meron din tayong online portal access kung saan dito po ay pwede nyo po makita ang ating mga modules at pwede nyo siyang ma-access 24/7 during your free time. Kung pwede kayo mag-review ng inyong mga modules anytime. And for those na mag-attend naman ng online, recorded po yung ating every class. So kung may mga na-miss po kayo ng lesson, pwede nyo siyang balikan na panoorin. So yun lang po, no? Thank you for listening po para sa mga katanungan and clarification. Pwede na po tayong mag-unmute or magsalita po o di kaya ay mag-chat po kayo sa chat box kung di tayo pwede mag-hello. Any question po? At saan bansa po tayo ngayon yung mga nag-attend? Hello? Meron po ba tayong mga katanungan? Si Miss April or si Miss Ipon? Ano po yung name niyo, ma'am? Pwede niyo po yan i-rename po. Or si Miss Samsung. Pwede po kayong mag-message po sa chat box po kung meron po kayong mga katanungan o clarification.